Hi and good day everyone. Welcome to Hierdie How to channel where I share real project experiences for better skills that will lead to a higher pay career. Today, I would like to share with you how to avoid common pumping system design errors, part 2 of 4. When we design a pumping system, we always want to ensure that the operation of the pumping system shall run efficiently and without any problem. There are many common design errors one can make in the pumping system. Not knowingly, these can cause significant operational problems or inefficiency to the system. I have divided this topic into a few parts as below, and this is part 2 of 4. Part 1 of 4. The common errors made on pipe and fittings, such as fitting, butterfly valve and non-return valve installation orientation. Part 2 of 4. The common errors made on pipes straight length requirements for equipment such as pump, non-return valve and flow meter. Part 3 of 4. The common errors made on suction sump design, such as minimum submergence, turbulence and water levels. Part 4 of 4. The common errors made on pipe velocity. I hope these videos will give you some insight in designing a pumping system to avoid those common errors and learn something new at the end of the videos. Please subscribe and like my channel before we go further. In this part 2 session, we will touch on the common errors on the pipe straight length requirements for equipment such as pump, non-return valve and flow meter. What are the common errors normally seen in these installations? 1. Pump suction straight length. The common error normally made by a designer is designing a pipe straight length less than the required length to produce the streamlined flow. A shorter length of pipe will not have enough distance for the flow to be streamlined and turbulence may happen. The solution to this common error is very simple, that is to provide a sufficient length of suction pipe. Based on the Hydraulic Institute guidelines, HI 9.8 pump intake design, the minimum straight length shall be not less than 5D, where D is the pipe diameter. For example, if you have a DN 300 suction pipe, a 5 × 300 equal to 1,500 mm long suction pipe length is required. This will ensure the flow upstream of the pump suction is streamlined without any turbulence. 2. Non-return valves. As for non-return valves, there may be a requirement before the valve to perform correctly. Designer usually did not consider this requirement and provided a shorter length before the valve. This will cause turbulence and affect the valve operation. As a general engineering practice, the non-return valve or check valve is installed at a distance of 5D from the pump or any pipe fittings to avoid turbulence. 3. Flow meter straight length. Lastly, for flow meters, the common error done by the design engineer is similar to non-return valve. However, there is an additional requirement on the downstream of the flow meter. Without sufficient pipe length, the accuracy of the flow meter will not be achieved. To overcome this, the flow meter is normally placed at a location with sufficient straight length of 5D and 3D for upstream and downstream respectively. However, some manufacturers do allow for a shorter length of 2D only downstream. This needs to be referred to the manufacturer's recommendation. That's all for today's session. I am happy to answer any comments if you have any doubt on the video. Please continue to watch part 3 or other parts of the series. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and like my channel. Thanks for watching.